In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable multi-factor authentication in Zoho and then turn it back on again. First, make your way over to the Zoho website. Once you're there, you'll want to find and click on My Profile, which is typically located at the top right of the page. This takes you to a place where you can manage your account settings. After you've clicked My Profile, look for My Account and click on that too. This is where you'll find the settings for all things related to your identity and security on Zoho. Now that you're in the My Account area, search for the Multi-Factor Authentication section and click on it. Multi-Factor Authentication, or MFA, is a security layer designed to protect your account even if your password gets compromised. This section contains all the options for configuring your 2FA settings. In this instance, our goal is to turn off the MFA. To do this, you need to look for a switch button. When you click on it, it will turn the MFA off. It's a simple toggle action that instantly disables this extra layer of protection. After switching off the MFA, you'll see an option that says Disable. Clicking Disable confirms your action to temporarily turn off the MFA. Now, the next steps would be to turn the MFA back on. Begin by finding the same switch button you used earlier and click on it again to turn the MFA back on. Once you click it, another option labeled Enable will appear. Click on Enable to initiate the reactivation of your MFA. Once that's done, you'll be prompted with a Continue button. Click Continue to proceed with the setup process. Now, a vital step in this entire procedure is to generate new codes. You'll see an option labeled Generate New Codes. Ensure you click on that. These codes are essential for your MFA, acting as a backup that will help you regain access to your account if you lose your primary authentication method. After generating the new codes, the next thing you should do is click on Download. This action enables you to save these backup codes to your device securely. Remember, it's crucial to store them in a home app location since they are your lifeline in case of an authentication issue. Finally, to finish the process, you will see a button labeled Close. Click on this to exit the MFA settings section and return to your main account page. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled and re-enabled multi-factor authentication on your Zoho account, ensuring a balance between security and accessibility. Remember, while it may seem a bit of a hassle, these steps are vital in protecting your information. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.